In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Slack is and how to use it to communicate effectively with your team. Slack is a team messaging app designed to make communication faster, clearer, and more organized than traditional email. Instead of long email chains where messages get buried, Slack keeps conversations in one place using channels. Channels are shared spaces where teams can talk about specific topics, projects, or departments, making it much easier to find information and stay aligned. To get started, you'll need to join or create a workspace. A workspace is the main environment where your team communicates. You can do this by going to Slack's website or downloading the desktop or mobile app. From there, sign in with your email address to join an existing team workspace, or follow the prompts to create a new one if you're setting things up yourself. Once you're inside, you'll see the main Slack layout and can begin exploring. One of the first things to look at is the channel list in the left sidebar. Channels are where most team communication happens, and they're usually organized by team, topic, or project. As you browse through them, you'll get a better sense of how your team works and where different kinds of conversations belong. Joining the right channels helps you stay informed without having to search through unrelated messages. If you need to speak with someone privately, use direct messages. In the same left sidebar, scroll down to the direct messages section and click on a teammate's name. This opens a private conversation between you and that person, which is useful for quick questions, one-on-one updates, or discussions that don't need to happen in a public channel. When you're ready to send a message, click the text box at the bottom of the screen and type what you want to say. You can mention a teammate by using the @ symbol before their name, which helps get their attention and notifies them directly. If you need to share a document, image, or other file, use the plus icon to attach it right to your message. Taking a moment to write clearly and tag the right people can make communication much more efficient. As conversations grow, threads become especially helpful. To reply to a specific message without interrupting the main channel, hover over that message and click the speech bubble icon. This starts a thread, letting you keep side discussions neatly grouped together while keeping the main conversation clean and easy to follow. Finally, manage your status and notifications by clicking your profile picture in the corner. From there, you can update your status, change your availability, or pause notifications when you need focused time. These simple settings help you stay responsive without feeling overwhelmed. Now you know the basics of Slack, so jump in and start collaborating with your team today.